Okay, so this is our little room. As you can see, there's a closet right there, a plug, there's our pillows where we can sleep. There's our windows, our nice little water bottles, and then you can see extra storage there. And then there's an extra seat right across from the bed. And underneath here, there is plenty of room for luggage if you need to. Right there. And then, so here's that chair that's right across. And then there's a mirror. Hello. And then here's the bathroom. It's right here. And there's, look, there's plenty of hooks right here. And that's what I did right there. There's extra towel. So here's the bathroom. It's very, very basic. And there's a shower in there with towels. Right there, there's the bathroom. Shower curtain. And so here is the little sink. There's the mirror. Plenty of plugs. There's soap, sink. Now if you look in here, look at this. Extra stuff. There's the trash right here. If you look in here, extra towels. So there you have it. This is the California Zephyr sleeper car. I think it's pretty cute and cozy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.